Imagine this, you are in the space, surrounded by endless darkness, and in front of you the moon is shining quietly in distance. But this time, you're not just looking at it, you are heading straight toward it. After nearly 50 years, humans are finally returning to the moon, and this historic journey is called Artemis II. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about one of the NASA's most exciting and historic missions, Artemis II. Back in 1969, the Apollo 11 missions made history when humans first set foot on the moon, and that moment changed the world forever. But since then, no humans has returned to the lunar surface. Now, NASA is preparing to go back, and that's where the Artemis II program comes in. The goal of Artemis isn't just to visit the moon again, it's to stay, learn, and use it as a stepping stone for future missions like going to Mars. And the second mission in this program is Artemis II. Artemis II is a crewed mission, meaning astronauts will be on board. 4 astronauts will travel from Earth, journey around the moon, and return safely home. But here's the questions. If they are not landing on the moon, then why is this mission so important? That's because Artemis II is a test mission. Its purpose is to make sure that the spacecraft and all its systems are completely safe and reliable for future missions. For this mission, NASA will use the Orion spacecraft, a vehicle especially designed for deep space exploration. Orion is equipped with advanced life support, navigation, safety systems, and allowing the astronauts to travel long distance comfortably and securely. Now, let's talk about the launch. Artemis II will be launched using NASA's most powerful rocket ever built, the Space Launch System, or SLS. This rocket is so powerful that it can push the Orion spacecraft beyond the Earth's gravity and send it directly to the moon. After launch, the spacecraft will gradually leave the Earth's orbit and begin its journey into deep space. The mission will last around 10 days, and during this time, the astronaut will conduct experiments and closely monitor the systems on board. When Orion reaches the moon, it will orbit around it, testing the navigation, communications, and gravitational systems in real conditions. After completing its journey, the spacecraft will return to Earth and make a safe splashdown landing in the ocean. Now, let's talk about something truly special about this mission. Artemis II features a diverse crew, including for the first time a woman and a black astronaut on a lunar mission. This isn't just a scientific achievement, it's a powerful message that space exploration is for everyone. One of the most important roles of Artemis II is preparing for the next missions, Artemis III. With Artemis III, NASA plans to land humans on the moon again, and this time at the moon's south pole. This region is incredibly important because it may contain water ice, which could one day provide both drinking water and fuel for the future missions. And beyond that, this mission is also a major step towards sending humans to Mars. So, this isn't just another mission. Artemis II represents humans' courage, curiosity, and the power of dreams. Maybe one day, someone among us will walk on the moon, and when that happens, we will look back and say, it all began with Artemis II. Thank you so much.